Hey guys, Joshua, Door Design Workshop. Privacy pocket door set from Rocky Mountain. This is really beautiful hardware. Can't wait to show it to you. So this is our thumb turn. It's gonna be on the inside of the room. On the outside of the room, you're gonna have that keyway for your emergency egress. The difference between Rocky Mountain hardware and a lot of hardware that you might be used to is the reliability and consistency and robustness of a actual commercial rated mortise lock. So this cassette, this mortise lock made in the United States, it's going to feature your edge pull. You push that button, close the door, hits the frame, and automatically retracts, or you can push it back in, and then the thumb turn will actuate the deadbolt. So let me show that to you real quick. This inserts like so, and then this robust deadbolt pops out, locks into your frame, and it's not going anywhere. So security, definitely on point, but it's not a hook. The hooks do jam. They're tough to line up. They can be reliable, but most of the time we get warranty issues from people calling in. It's those hooks. And so we don't offer those anymore, and Rocky Mountain doesn't either. So you're set. That's how that actuates, nice and smooth. Guys, this hardware is amazing. I know you're gonna love it, and thank you so much for watching this video.